If you ever need to turn one video into different formats for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube without manually reframing everything, CapCut PC has a tool that makes it effortless. Now it's called Auto Reframe. Now the first step in the process is to drag your clip onto the timeline. With the video selected, open the video panel, then go to Basic, and then scroll until you find Auto Reframe. Now CapCut recently moved these into the Pro features, so you need to have the Pro version of CapCut installed on your Windows PC in order to use this feature. Now the next thing is to click on Auto Reframe to open the settings. You'll see preset aspect ratios like 9:16 for TikTok, 16:9 for YouTube, and 1:1 for Instagram. So pick the format that you're creating content for, and CapCut will instantly track the main subject and adjust the frame to keep the important action in view in your video. If you want to get smoother results, turn on image stabilization and tweak the camera movement speed if needed. Now when everything looks good, just go ahead and hit on apply. Now play back the clip to preview the reframed result. This too shines when you're working with fast moving shots or handheld footage. So before exporting your video, check the ratio button at the bottom right and confirm your final format. So that's it. Auto reframe helps to save time. It keeps your shots centered and helps you to repurpose your video across multiple platforms with ease. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.